Children, today we will discuss about the unit solar system and stars. We are discussing about the question paper for our KSQAAC exam, that is SAS exam. It is having part 2. Part A is having multiple choice questions. Part B is having descriptive type of questions. Let's discuss part A. The time period between one full moon to the next full moon is longer than 29 days, lesser than 29 days, 29 days, and 30 days. Here the answer is longer than 29 days. Second question. The sound does not travel on the moon because the moon doesn't have light, the moon has no water on it, the moon doesn't have atmosphere, the moon does not have ozone layer. Here the answer is it is not having atmosphere, air is not there, so the sound, it doesn't travel on the moon. Hence the answer is option C. Sun belongs to planet, star, comet, asteroid. Here sun is a star, it is not a planet, it is not a comet, it is not a asteroid. Answer is it is a star. Fourth question. The first scientist that landed on the moon for the first time. Options: Neil Armstrong, Robert, Neil Robertstrong, and Robert Arm. Here the answer is Neil Armstrong. Fifth question. The unit expressed in a larger distance are known as. Options: meter, kilometer, light year, and none. So among these three we have to choose. Here this is the longer distance and we are discussing the stars and solar system. So here the answer is light year. Next, sixth question. The stars that does not appear to move in the sky. Pole star, Great Bear, Orion, Cassiopeia. When we observe all the four options, Great Bear, Orion, and Cassiopeia are the constellations. So the answer is pole star. Which is the biggest star in the sky? Sirius, Moon, Sun, pole star. Of course, here the answer is Sirius. Eighth question. Among the following, which is not belongs to the constellation? Here they have asked a group of stars, that is constellations. Let's see. Pole star, Great Bear, Orion, Cassiopeia. As we discussed in the sixth question, here Great Bear, Orion, and Cassiopeia are constellations. But the question is they are not belongs to, they have asked. Hence the answer is option A, that is pole star. As the distance of the planet increases from the sun, the period of revolution increases, decreases, remains constant and becomes zero. Here it remains constant is not true. It becomes zero, that is also false, means it is not true. Let's see increases and decreases. As the distance increases from the sun, definitely the revolution period also increases. 10th question. The satellite of the earth is, the natural satellite of the earth is sun, moon, star, and artificial satellite. Here the answer is moon. Next question. The planet which is near to the sun is Venus, Mercury, Earth, Mars. Here the answer is Mercury. 12th question. It is the brightest planet in the sky. Venus, Mercury, Saturn, and Mars. Here Mercury is very near to Sun. Saturn is having ring. Mars is a red planet. Of course the answer is Venus. 13th one. The planet is also called as a red planet. That is, options are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter. Here the answer is Mars. Mars is called as a red planet. 14th question. Time taken by the planet to complete one revolution is called as period of revolution, period of evolution, period of orbit, and period of solution. Here in these options, period of evolution and period of solutions, these are wrong, and the period of revolution and period of orbit. Among these, option A, period of revolution is right answer. Next, 15th one. The largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter, Earth, Mars, and Saturn. Here the answer is Jupiter. 16th question. Which is not belongs to inner planet? Venus, Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. Here the answer is Jupiter. 17th one, Halley comet. It appears every 76 years, every 67 years, every 57 years, every 76 days. Here the answer is every 76 years. 18th one, the first Indian satellite is INSAT, EduSat, Aryabhatta, none. Here the answer is INSAT. 19th question, which of the following is not a member of a solar system? An asteroid, a satellite, a constellation, a comet. Here the answer is an asteroid. Next, 20th question, the constellation is also called as a hunter. The three middle stars represents a belt of a hunter, and the other four bright stars appears to arrange in the form of quadrilateral is Sirius, Orion, Ursa Major and Cassiopeia. We know that Sirius is the brightest star, whereas Ursa Major, it is made up of 7 stars, and that is also called as Saptarshi Mandala. Cassiopeia, the shape of the Cassiopeia is W or M, hence the answer is Orion. Next, discuss about the part B, that is a descriptive type of answers we have to write here. Here 5 questions will be there for 2 marks, total 10 marks. Now the questions are, name the solar planets in order. Here we have to write Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Name the 2 objects other than the planet which are the member of the solar system. Other than the planet we have to write. Those are asteroids and comets. Draw an arrangement of stars in the Ursa Major. Here we have to draw the Ursa Major, means Saptarshi Mandala we have to draw as shown in the figure. Does all the stars move in the sky? We have to explain it. Here we have to write all the stars, they will move from east to west, but only one star it will not move, that is called as a pole star, because that is the star which is situated in the direction of the earth axis, so it doesn't appear to move. Like that we have to write. The next question, what are the differences between the planets and the stars? Here we have to write that planets, they are not having their own light, stars are having their own light. So like that we have to write. Next, third main, in that 2 questions are there, and those are for 3 marks, totally 6 marks will be there. Define constellations. Name the constellations appears in the sky. Constellations means those are the group of stars. Okay, and the constellations are Great Bear, Orion, Cassiopeia, Leo Major. All these are the constellations we have to write. What are satellites? What are the uses or what are the functions of satellite? We have to write here. Here satellites are the bodies which revolve around the planets, whereas here artificial satellites, they revolve around the earth, but they are very closer than the moon. Like that we have to write. And the artificial satellites, all these satellites, they will use for weather forecasting, long distance communication and remote sensing. All these functions we have to write. Next, and the last question. In last question, draw a diagram of solar system which shows the planet's position. For this question we have to draw the orbits. In that orbits we have to show all the planets. Along with that we have to show the sun as shown in the figure. Practice these questions. Good luck for your examinations. Thank you.